Happy morning! Si Ginoong Roderick Baturi Ramos po ito. You can call me Eric. It's true, whether we are professionals or non-professionals, at times we get to be stressed or overwhelmed. So at times when I am stressed or overwhelmed, what do I do and how do I handle it? It's instantly I get to be reminded with what Sirach says in the Catholic Bible, that each of us is given a great deal of work to do, and a heavy burden lies in all of us from the day of our birth until the day we go back to the earth. So, otomatiko po sa aking sarili na kapag meron akong mga bigatin sa buhay, o sobrang masaya, o sobrang malungkot, inaalala ko ang sinasabi ni Sirach mula sa Biblia na ang bawat isa ay inatasan o pinagkalooban ng kanya-kanyang mga sariling gawain sa buhay mula sa pagsilang hanggang sa kamatayan o pagbalik natin sa ilalim ng lupa. Ang kahirapan o kaginhawaan sa pagtupad dito ay hindi dumidepende sa kahit sinuman o doon sa mga tao na kapaligid sa atin, kundi sa ating mga sarili. So how do I determine the amount of time for a specific task? Specifically, if it's a publication or a book, I used to make use of my 6 months to write one book. But this time, 1 month is enough for me to write an electronic book, which is obvious in the many e-books that I have already written. Napakadali na po para sa akin ang magsulat ng elektronikong libro, either in Filipino or in Tagalog. Ngayon, what are the 3 things that are important in my job to me? First, customer satisfaction. I always make sure that my customers are satisfied with the services rendered by me, by the library staff, or by the whole academic community. Second, resource management. We need, and I need to manage resources, specifically the existing ones. And lastly, achievement of our students, our faculty, customers, and the entire academic community. And these are the 3 primary reasons why I am working in academic institution. Again, customer satisfaction, management of resources, which is balanced, and lastly, client achievement.